Welcome dear learners to this brief video tutorial to present the basic use of Google Meet, which is an online tool for video conferencing. Let us see the learning outcomes. At the end of this tutorial, the learner will be able to explore the different features and settings in Google Meet. Let us see what is Google Meet. Google Meet is a video conferencing app. It is the business-oriented version of Google Hangouts platform. It is suitable for businesses of all sizes, and there is a provision to make video calls with up to 30 users per high-definition video meeting. So dear learners, what are we waiting for? Let's get some hands-on practice. So your step one would be to go to Google and type Google Meet. When you type Google Meet, you will be getting different options. You need to click on the first one, that is Google Meet. When you click on Google Meet, you will be getting this page. So you need to have this Gmail, that is Google Mail account, which is an active functional account, because this is Google based app. So you need to have a Google account and you will sign in with the Google account and you will be able to host a Google Meet, that is video conferencing, or you can join and you can schedule meetings with the whole crew. So here you can see there is an option for settings, by which you can basically customize and check what all requirements you want. Right now I've just kept it off for time being, and you can see at the top right there is an option for sign in. So you will sign in and you will go to the home page. So once you sign in, you will be taken to the main homepage of Google Meet. You can see how it looks. So you have a Google Meet symbol logo, Meet, the current time, May 10, day is Sunday. Now you can see there is an option here. It is for, if you click on this will be actually taken to a page where you will be having some features of some sort of troubleshooting. For example, if you have some troubleshooting or if you need to ask some query, so you will be taken to that particular page with the help of this symbol. If you click on this is for settings. When you click on settings, this is how it appears. You can customize, you can switch on, switch off the video, audio and all. These are the features. Then you can join a session or video conferencing, or you can schedule a session or video conferencing. So these are the basic features of this Google based app and the Google Meetings. Now when we go to the third tutorial, there I will be showing you how to use the features of Google Meet. So this was all about the basic features. So dear learners, thank you so much for being live with me. Keep exploring, learning and sharing new things. We are teachers, we are lifelong learners. We need to constantly update ourselves and keep learning new things, because only when the teacher is consistently updated, then only that teacher will be able to impart the current proper knowledge to the learners. So remember, change is mandatory, survival is optional. Thank you.